Good morning, T-Birds.
I'm Keiley.
And I'm Temoana. Today is May 11, 2022, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
There will be Saturday school this week from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Do you need your car detailed? The Deaf T-Bird Club is offering their car cleaning service in Mr. Juma's shop on May 18th and June 1st from 2:15 to 4 p.m.
For more information, our reporter, Keiley, interviewed Miss Tygart. Let's check it out.
I'm Keiley, and I'm here with
Debbie Tygart.
And the question is, not really a question, but tell us more about your fundraiser.
Okay. Well, it's coming up on May 18th and again on June 1st. We're going to take over Juma's Auto Shop, and from 2:15 to 4 o'clock p.m., we're hoping that people who have cars that are maybe dirty inside and you like it vacuumed and dusted, that we would do that for you for a small donation. So we'll vacuum out your car, and we will dust your dash, and we'll make all your windows clean and shiny, and then send you on your way.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Miss Tygart. Yesterday, girls softball had a game against Manaway Lakes. Here for some photos from yesterday.
Are you interested in playing in a JV and varsity boys basketball summer league? Trials will be May 23rd and May 25th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. You must be cleared through the athletic office to be eligible to try out.
State testing begins 2 weeks from tomorrow. Students will be using their own laptops for testing.
The juniors and sophomores test on May 24th to the 26th.
Remember to bring your laptop chargers and headphones for testing on May 24 to 26.
Senior prom and breakfast tickets are now on sale. Prom tickets are $20 each, and breakfast tickets are $10.
For graduation, each senior will receive 8 graduation tickets at senior checkout. Additional tickets are on sale for $5 each. They must be picked up before June 15. For more on this year's prom, we talked to ASB Execs Trinity and Jamie.
We're your ASB Execs.
You're the president. But anyways, prom is May 21st, 7 to 10.
Tickets are $20. You can buy them from Miss Riddle, or you can buy them on Mount Tahoma's website, myschoolbooks.com. You can also bring a guest. All paperwork is on Mount Tahoma website, or there is a paper copy in Miss Riddle's office.
Anything else?
The prom is at the Puyallup Pavilion, so we should see you there. And Leo's photography should be there, so we're going to have a great time.
The theme is a night at the ball. Come out, show out. The venue is really pretty. There's flowers. It's going to be springtime. You guys are going to have a great time.
You might want to bring a little jacket. It might be chilly. Unless you're dancing, then you're going to be hot.
Goodbye.
Seniors, do you want to speak at graduation? Now is your chance. Please check your email for more information about the audition process. Auditions will be on Wednesday, May 18th at 7:30 a.m.
Also, seniors, for more important dates, please check your email from Miss Pham so you can be caught up.
Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Keiley.
And I'm Temoana. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-Bird, always a T-Bird. Have a great day.